Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Appalachian RC. Guys, I'm Pilot Travis, and we're getting ready to take up the Viper 70mm 4500 6S. I came up here last week, made a few videos up here at this new spot. Man, I love it up here. It is great. I came up here this morning, done some dark flights, and then it got foggy on me, so now finally the fog's gone. And I cut me a little bit of I brought my weed eater up here, and I trimmed it up a little bit right here, if you can see it, but without further ado, guys, let's get this thing up and play. I'm anxious. Last week's flights was more, just getting used to the place. So now we're going to actually play a little bit, hopefully. So let's go, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, she's flying killer. I think it might be rolling a little bit. Just trying to get her trimmed out a little more, guys. I thought it was, but apparently not. Flaps are up, yep. Alright, guys, here we go. Full blast. Wide open, baby. From up top. Here we go. Yeah. Twirly, twirly. Oh, so fun, guys. So fun. Still having to trim something, man. Just slow pass. Trying to see if it still had a roll in the flaps. I adjusted it on a little bit more, but yeah, but it's not bad. It's not bad, not bad. Here we go, guys, another full blast. Alright, guys, you ready to go between the lines? Here we go. Love it. Love it, love it. Let the battery relax a minute, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Another full blast, baby. See where we're at on our time. Not much longer. Alright guys, I guess it's that time. Gear coming out. You'll see all the gear. Yep, the gear is out. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna land. It's gonna be in the sun for a second, so I apologize. Alright guys, here we go. Get over here and where I trimmed it out. Oh yeah. And you can see where I trimmed it out right down through here, guys. You know, I actually done it for the Trojan because of the, you know, it was getting caught on it. But yeah, anyway guys, awesome guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I do, which I know it's impossible. It's a lot more fun flying than it is watching somebody fly. I know that, but I like watching people fly too. Learn a lot from people doing that. But anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yep, we got the P-47, the Trojan, and the Bigfoot out. Done a flight this morning in the fog with the Bigfoot. We're getting ready to take this bad boy up, and we'll be taking the Trojan up in a little bit. I was trying to let the grass dry just a little bit before I took the Trojan stuff up. And all them grass and the propeller sucking in on the propellers and stuff. But if you ain't subscribed to the channel yet, guys, before you leave, don't forget to hit that share, like, subscribe button. If you have subscribed, thanks for watching. And too, guys, let me all show you. Somebody's been asking me where because I've been running a 5002 in this sometimes, but here's where my battery is, guys. I don't know if the sun's gonna let me, but you can see it. This right here is the first strap. You see I've got it back. This is where like a 4,000 or so goes on this line. This is where my 5,000 goes. But I've been putting this is a 4,500, so I've been putting it too. And you can see, guys, it's right on the receiver. So, but I get the perfect CG with the 5,000 and the 4,500 right there, guys. Works perfect. It does. But anyway, guys, I just want to share that. I forgot, you know, a couple people asked me, so I finally remembered it. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Till we do it again, I hope y'all have a safe and happy Sunday. God bless and safe flying, guys. Bye, bye, bye.